AI, machine learning, and deep learning are not the same thing, and confusing them slows down both your learning and your career.
In the next 5 minutes,
You'll clearly understand what each term means, how they connect, and where each one is used in real-world IT and certification paths. Let's start with the big picture. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella concept. Machine learning exists inside AI, and deep learning exists inside machine learning. So deep learning is a type of machine learning, and machine learning is a type of AI. Think of it like layers.
Now let's begin with artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence simply means making computers behave intelligently, not necessarily learning. If a system can think, decide, or solve problems like a human, it falls under AI. For example, consider a chess engine. It follows thousands of programmed rules to calculate the best possible move. It doesn't learn from experience, it just evaluates logic and outcomes. Another example is your phone's face unlock. It detects patterns in your face and matches them with stored data to verify identity. So remember this clearly. AI is the goal, making machines smart. But here's the challenge. Programming every possible rule manually is almost impossible. That's where machine learning comes in.
Machine learning allows systems to learn automatically from data. Instead of writing rules, we feed data into a model. The model studies patterns, learns relationships, and then makes predictions. In supervised learning, we train the system using labeled data. For example, we show it emails marked spam and not spam. Over time, it learns the difference and can classify new emails correctly. In unsupervised learning, there are no labels. The system finds patterns on its own. For instance, grouping customers based on similar buying behavior. Machine learning powers many tools you already use every day. Recommendation systems like Netflix, fraud detection in banking, sales forecasting, and analytics dashboards. So the key idea is simple. Machine learning means computers improve through experience.
Now let's go one step deeper. Literally. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These neural networks have many layers. Each layer learns increasingly complex features. First, simple details like edges, then shapes, then objects, and finally meaning. Because these networks can have millions of parameters, they require huge amounts of data and powerful hardware like GPUs to train effectively. Deep learning is what powers today's most advanced AI systems.
So if machine learning is smart learning, deep learning is learning at massive scale for very complex problems. Let's quickly compare everything. Artificial intelligence focuses on smart behavior. Machine learning focuses on learning from data. Deep learning uses neural networks and large datasets for advanced intelligence. Think of them as increasing levels of sophistication. Now, from a career perspective, there's a clear learning path. First, understand AI fundamentals, then learn machine learning concepts and models, and finally, move into deep learning and areas like natural language processing. These skills are used across cybersecurity automation, analytics, cloud AI systems, and modern software development roles. So here's the summary. AI is the big concept. Machine learning learns from data. Deep learning uses neural networks for advanced intelligence. Now that you understand the difference, you're ready for the next step. Continue with a hands-on machine learning tutorial and build your first model step by step.
If you found this video helpful, there's a lot more learning waiting for you. Subscribe to the uCertify channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update.